Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 6 of my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this Sugar Plum water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. I'm going to be using OPI Black Onyx as my base color, and then I'm going to be marbling with that and Dark Side of the Mood. To protect around my nails, I'm going to be using tape around the sides, and then I'm going to go ahead and protect around the cuticle area with liquid latex. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once your bullseye is complete, you can go ahead and draw on your flower, pulling in from the various sides towards the center. Once your design is complete, decide where you want to dip. Then you can go ahead and line your fingers up and basically go for it. Go ahead and clean off the surface of any polish that's remaining so that that doesn't stick onto your design. Then you can go ahead and slowly pull your nails out, and there's the marble. Very dark, which is as I intended, so that if we make any mistakes with our glitter, it won't be too obvious. This is just to give us a guide for buffing on the glitter, not to actually serve as a design itself. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the protection, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my other nails. Once I've finished cleanup and pressed any bubbles flat, I'm going to go ahead and add a layer of Holo Taco Super Glossy Taco to speed up the dry time, and then I'm going to let them dry completely. The next step is going to be tracing the spots that I want the glitter. I think it's pretty hard to see on camera, but this is basically a black and off black water marble. And I'm going to be using the off black as a guide for my gel adhesive. I'm going to dab a little bit of that out on a cardboard lid. And then I'm just going to begin tracing using a small brush. Then I'm going to flash cure each nail so that the top coat doesn't run, and once I've finished all these fingers, I'll be fully curing the whole hand. Once the gel adhesive is cured, I'm going to move on to the next step, which is the glitter. I'm starting off with the purple, and I've got just a sponge tip makeup applicator here. I'm going to get some on there and start buffing it onto the nail. And it's going to stick to the places where I applied the gel adhesive. I'm going to go ahead and buff it onto all the nails, and then I'm going to do the same process with the silver. Once I'm done applying the glitter and have brushed off any extra, I'm going to go ahead and seal it in. And today I'm using Madame Glam's No Wipe Top Coat. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really thrilled with how this turned out. My tracing skills were pretty on point, and because the ghost marble colors were so close together, the couple spots where I wasn't quite within the lines you don't really notice. This turned out extremely sparkly, even more sparkly than yesterday's, And so of course, a little bit of flashlight time here to show off the Holo. If you would like to see the extended tutorial for this, it will be up here on YouTube shortly. If you'd like to join me live, you can come follow at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP, and I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up, and of course, as always, thanks for watching.